Chevrolet's 1965 Corvette remains an iconic figure in the history of American muscle cars, and if you're lucky enough to own one, you own a piece of automotive history. The 1965 Corvette is not just a car, it's a symbol of performance, luxury, and rarity. In fact, one very special 1965 Corvette Convertible is now up for sale, restored to perfection and offered at a price that will surely turn the heads of collectors everywhere. This specific model is a 1965 Chevy Corvette Convertible powered by the L76 engine, a rare find with just 5,011 of these engines installed in Corvettes that year. What makes this particular car even more intriguing is its restoration. Approximately 5 years ago, it was carefully brought back to life, leaving it in pristine condition today. With only 2,000 miles on the rebuilt engine, it practically drives like a brand new car while retaining the soul of a classic. The car is now housed in a climate-controlled garage, ensuring that its post-restoration condition is perfectly preserved. In 1965, Chevrolet made several notable updates to the Corvette lineup, including the introduction of the side exhaust system and the 396Ci turbojet engine. These additions only elevated the Corvette's status as America's sports car, but this particular model stands out not just for its performance but for its rarity. This Corvette comes dressed in a silver pearl color, one of the rarest available in 1965. In fact, only 2,552 Corvettes were built in this color. To put that into perspective, tuxedo black was the most popular color, with only 1,190 cars produced in that shade. The combination of this stunning silver paint and the auxiliary hardtop option makes this Corvette one of the rarest of the rare. Only 7,787 Corvettes were equipped with the hardtop, and the fact that this car has it adds to its exclusivity. The L76 engine is complemented by the side exhaust, an additional feature that further elevates this vehicle's appeal. Out of the thousands of Corvettes built in 1965, only 759 were equipped with side exhausts, making this feature a prized addition for serious collectors. And let's not forget the silver interior, which only 350 Corvettes in 1965 were outfitted with, adding another layer of uniqueness to this already rare find. Not only does this Corvette boast rare features, but it also maintains many of its original components. Despite undergoing a thorough restoration, the fiberglass and factory body bonding strips remain intact. This speaks to the quality and attention to detail that went into preserving the vehicle's original integrity while ensuring it performs like new. For collectors, the importance of originality is paramount, and this Corvette strikes the perfect balance. The clock, one of the few non-original parts, may need some attention, but a skilled mechanic can easily fix that. Aside from that, everything else is in near-mint condition, making this Corvette a truly turnkey collector's item. The dealer, located in Milford, Connecticut, has set a price tag of $95,000 for this fully restored and rare 1965 Chevy Corvette Convertible. While this may sound steep, it's a reasonable price when considering the rarity, restoration quality, and historical significance of the car. Of course, for those looking to make the purchase but unsure about paying the full amount up front, financing options are available, ensuring that this piece of automotive history can be within reach. If you're a collector, this is one Corvette you won't want to miss out on. It represents a time in automotive history when American performance cars were at their peak, and it's a beautiful, rare example of that era. With only 350 of these cars ever made with this specific configuration, the likelihood of finding another one in such remarkable condition is slim to none. This is truly a collector's dream.